Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at the difference between try to do and try doing. Try to do something means attempt. Maybe you can do it, and maybe you can't. Sean tried to carry all of the boxes, but he couldn't, so he used a trolley. He tried to wake up and exercise in the morning, but he couldn't get out of bed. Billy tried to stay up late to study, but he fell asleep. Try doing something means do it and check the result. A machine at Michael's factory wasn't working. First, he tried pushing the green button, but that didn't work. Next, he tried pushing the red button, but that didn't work either. Finally, he tried unplugging the machine and plugging it back in. Then, he tried pushing the green button again, and it worked. If you like our videos and you want to support us, please share them with a friend.